Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful motorhome comes equipped with triple step entry, electronic levelers, side and rear cameras, roof ladder, outside shower, outside storage, double slides, remote heated driver and passenger mirrors, hide-a-bed sofa, 2 vanities with sinks, ball bearing drawer guides, over-the-range microwave, bedroom television, power driver's seat, booth dinette, stainless double kitchen sink, oven, cable TV hookup, carbon monoxide detector, pillow top mattress, solid surface kitchen countertops, bathroom cabinet with mirror, smoke detector, battery disconnect, LED interior lighting, living room fireplace, flip-up counter, overhead storage, wardrobe with storage drawers. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.